this video, we're going to demonstrate two different ways to duplicate cabinets and all of the devices contained within them. Let's begin with the simpler scenario, making one copy of a single cabinet. Starting at the location tree, find the cabinet that you would like to copy. Then right-click and select the copy icon. In this example, we picked cabinet AB04 under the USA Demo Data Center. That cabinet is now in our clipboard and ready to be pasted into a location on the location tree. Choose a location, right-click, and select Paste. The new cabinet appears as a copy of the original. Click the cabinet and select Details. In the General Information section, we can edit the cabinet's name, which still includes the word copy. So let's rename our cabinet AA01. Click Save. The new name now appears in the location tree, and we are ready to position the cabinet on the floor plan. Navigate back to the USA Demo Data Center to display the floor plan. Click the Edit button, then drag and drop the new cabinet to its new location. When the cabinet is positioned correctly, click Save to lock in your changes. What if you purchased a set of identical pre-configured cabinets and needed to make multiple instances of them? SmartZone allows you to do this through a feature called Replicate. Begin the replicate procedure by selecting the base cabinet. In this example, we're going to assume that we have purchased 3 new pre-configured cabinets that are identical to cabinet AB07. Right-click and choose the Replicate icon. This opens a new pop-up called the Replication Wizard, which will allow you to create a sequential naming convention for your new set of cabinets. You have the option of entering a text string for the prefix, base name, or suffix. You can also choose to replace any of the text strings with a sequential pattern. In this case, we chose new as our prefix, cab as our base name, and rather than have a text suffix, we chose 1, 2, 3 as our sequential pattern. For each sequence pattern, the Replication Wizard will ask you for a starting value and a count. The start indicates where the sequence will begin, and the count is how many cabinets you will replicate. Notice the preview shows you exactly what the generated names will look like. You can easily adjust the number of cabinets up or down simply by using the arrows. Click Next to continue. The Cabinet Contents pop-up appears. This list includes every attribute for every device that exists in the base cabinet we chose to replicate. Our task is to select the asset attribute names we want to include in the new cabinets. You can choose to include or exclude each attribute individually, or you can do what we decided to do here and check the All box at the top left to include all the attributes. Click Next to continue. Finally, your target is the location on the tree where your replicated cabinets will appear. For this example, we'll again choose the USA Demo Data Center. Click Finish to close the Replication Wizard. Back on our main display, you can now click on the USA Demo Data Center and see that our replicated cabinets are at the bottom of the floor plan, ready to be placed. Click Edit at the bottom of the floor plan, and then drag and drop each cabinet into the desired location. When all of your cabinets have been placed, click Save. Your replicated cabinets are now part of your data center.